to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Alright guys, to start off with this project, we're going to begin in thefont.com and we're going to search for the font I Love Glitter. So in the search box, I'm going to type MF I Love Glitter and then hit search. And for thefont.com, any font on here is free, but if you want to use this font to put it on t-shirts, you do have to pay for a commercial license, which is not free. So once I find the font, I'm going to go ahead and download it. And then I'll open the folder. And just like an SVG, you'll have to extract it. And hit continue, and then it has like 4 things in it, and you're gonna click the TTF file and hit install. I already have this font downloaded, but I wanted to show you guys how to go through it. So right here, I'm just gonna click yes. Now that the font is downloaded and installed, any type-in program you have on your computer, this font is available. And like I said, if you want to use this font to put on shirts to sell, you will need to purchase the commercial rights to the font, and all that information is also available in the downloaded file. Now I'm going to go over here into Design Space, and I'm just going to type the word mom. And I like the impact font, but you can use whatever font you want. And I'm going to make the width of this 9 inches wide. And then I'm going to type my children's name. I start from my oldest to my youngest. So I have 4 children, Layla, Joshi, Baby J, and Zaire. So I'm just going to type all their names out. And I'm going to use the I Love Glitter font for their names. And that is what I'm going to lay on top of the mom. And so whenever you're using cursive font, all cursive letters need to touch. So I'm going to decrease my letter space. And once I get it spaced how I want it, I'm going to weld my cursive letters together because that makes it like a smooth connection. And then right here, I'm just going to add another text box and put established 2006, which was when my oldest was born. So once I have all this done, I'm just going to go ahead and click make it. And this is a super simple project, guys. So now I'll click make it. And of course, it's going to, Design Space will sort it out in the mats for me. So I have 2 mats because I have 2 different colors. And whenever we're working with HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl, always remember to mirror your image. So right here, I'm just checking the box on both designs and I'm going to mirror it. And then I'll click continue. And I'll just place my HTV on my mat. Now the shiny side goes face down. When working with HTV, you put the shiny side face down. So once I do that, I'll go ahead and cut it. Then I'll weed it, and then we'll get ready to press it. So I'm using a V-neck shirt, but if you're not using a V-neck shirt and you need like a guideline to figure out what the center of the shirt is, you just fold it in half and then press along the edge. And when you open it up, you have that center line down the middle, and that'll allow you to align your shirt. Now my temperature on my Easy Press is 310 degrees, and I'm going to press this for about 30 seconds. And I'm just moving it all around and applying a little bit of pressure. So once that's done, I'll just peel it back, and then I'll just lay the I Love Glitter text on top of it, and I'll cover all of it with that plastic backing because you don't want to burn the HTV. And then I'll just do the same thing again and applying more pressure. And that is it. That is our project. You guys just made a shirt. These make great Mother's Day gifts for Mother's Day, your grandmother, anybody you feel may want one. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you later.